Arkada-Engineering, construction technology of steel frame thermoprofile buildings. Arkada-Engineering is the leading Russian company, producer of high-technology equipment for steel metal processing. The company equipment is installed and operates successfully in more than 50 cities of Russia and abroad. Arkada-Engineering is proud for its powerful and professional designers. Due to the engineering development, the design bureau produces more perfect, reliable and productive equipment every time. Specialists of Arkada-Engineering aim at the creation of more profitable and convenient equipment, able to meet people's interests and the market requirements. One of the last developments of the company is the production of frame buildings based on light steel thin-walled constructions, LSTC. The frame house building market develops rapidly. The technology opens new possibilities for improving quality, reduction of costs and terms of construction. In most European countries, as well as in USA, Canada and Australia, 80% of dwelling buildings are low-rise. The technology allows erecting constructions for various applications, apartment houses and commercial establishments such as sales and working areas and hotels, for example. More than that, it gives the possibility to extend buildings by means of raising attics, annexes and superstructures. Advantages of technology: ecological purity. Inorganic and chemical inert materials which are used in frame house building are completely recovered. They are not prone to termites, fungus or mold. They do not soak up and do not give off harmful detrimental substances. Advantages of technology: durability. The lifetime of steel constructions is 100 years at the minimum. Advantages of technology: convenience of construction process. Easy raising frame constructions require shallow footing or pile foundation. The important factor is the complete lack of any shrinkage while erection and exploitation. A steel frame for a house which total area is 600 square meters may be installed by a team of 3 or 4 specialists during 2 or 3 weeks. It's not necessary to use lifting cranes or other hosting machines at all stages of frame, roof and partition installation. This factor is particularly important in erection of attics, cottages, remote buildings and in cases when maximum preservation of surrounding landscape is required. There is a great variety of facade trimming, facing brick, vinyl or metal siding, artificial or natural stone imitation, molded board, block fouls, profiled sheets with polymeric covering and other modern facing materials. The lack of so-called wet mix processes allows erection of easy raising frame buildings all the year round. Advantages of technology: energy-saving qualities. Walls and floors are provided with a qualitative thermal protection. Due to it, a frame filling works like a vacuum flask. If the house is closed, it's able to keep warmth up to 2 or 3 days without extra heating. It helps to reduce costs for energy carriers, which are constantly rising in price. Arkada-Engineering, construction technology of steel frame thermoprofile buildings. Complex producing steel frame thermoprofile buildings. A complex of equipment producing light steel thin-walled constructions for frame buildings consists of slitting lines, lines for building profile production, a flexi press, a stamping complex for mounting hole production, a complex for cross pieces production, an assembly jig. The process starts from slitting. An obtained strip proceeds to profiling, where it undergoes notching, expansion, and forming into a building thermal profile. Such a profile is transferred to a FlexiPress, a stamping complex for mounting hole production. But the use of mounting holes only does not guarantee firm profile hitching. That's why cross pieces are used. A finished profile goes to an assembly jig where wall panel frames are assembled. The described above technology helps to realize a wide spectrum of design and architectural ideas. An obtained house set is really convenient for assemblage, and a great number of revetments allows the builder to satisfy the demands of the most exacting customers.